Remove tape while the paint is still tacky to avoid sharp edge cracks and repair any damaged edge cleanly if cracking occurs. Start by assessing how wet the paint is by lightly touching an out-of-the-way spot with your fingertip. If it is tacky but not leaving paint on your finger, you have the best window to pull tape. Pull the tape back on itself at a low angle close to parallel with the surface in one steady motion to minimize a peeling edge. If a fine crack or chip appears, wait until the paint fully dries, then use a small angled touch-up brush and feather the existing paint outward slightly to blend the repair into the baseboard and carpet edge. Load the brush sparingly to avoid drips. For gaps between the baseboard and wall or tiny separations at the painted edge, apply paintable caulk with a thin bead, smooth it with a wet finger or tool, let it dry, and repaint the bead for a seamless finish. When working over carpet, protect fibers with low-tack tape or paper under the baseboard during touch-ups to prevent stray paint getting on the pile. Always clean the area first with a soft cloth to remove dust and loose paint so the repair adheres and looks uniform. Common mistakes include pulling the tape too late so the paint is fully cured, which creates a jagged tear instead of a clean line, so pull while tacky and at a low angle. Another error is overloading the touch-up brush, which causes visible blobs and lap marks, so use minimal paint, thin coats, and feather edges outward. A third issue is skipping caulk on gaps, which make small seams show after drying, so run a thin bead of paintable caulk, smooth it, let it cure, and then paint for a consistent edge. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work by listing projects and profiles that connect people in the same area. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and trade techniques about repairs like baseboard paint cracking.